Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I am Girish, and it's a new me. Yes, you probably might see a difference. My beard is gone, and here's a clip how I used to look earlier with my beard and now is without beard. So the last couple of weeks, close to about 8 to 9 weeks, has been a rough ride for me due to my medical conditions. I could not travel. I was at home, and people who follow me on my social media and also on YouTube would know that I had a medical condition. And if you want to be in regular touch with me and also want to know what's happening in my life, here's a link for all the social media on Instagram and Facebook to get everyday update. And similarly, if you follow me on YouTube, you would anyway get it. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I upload. So what's new in my channel now? So coming in the next couple of weeks, what you will get to see on my channel are going to be more of content from my house itself, something like a jacket review, helmet reviews, and could be content or trivia on new motorcycles, cars, and all of it. What you may not see in the next couple of weeks is that me doing a lot of long rides or long drive. That won't happen, at least for the next 2 or 3 weeks. And I will still continue doing one of my top chart, which is never out of fashion, so where there is not too much of riding or driving, so that will continue in my channel without any problem. So that will be there. And during this time, I got a lot of time to sit down and plan for a new intro video, which I've done, and I'm going to show that. And please give me your feedback on the new intro video and what you guys think about it. If I should continue using the new one, or you think my old intro video was good. And right now I'm going to showcase you the new intro video. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and there it was, my new intro video. What do you guys think about my new intro video? Please comment and tell me if I need to continue using my new intro video or the old intro video. So I have spent some time to create the new intro video. I would love to know the feedback from you guys. What do you think? And during this time, I had a lot of things going in my mind, what kind of new content I should be looking at doing, and that's helped me a lot. At the same time, I had a good rest in the last 8 to 9 weeks. And thanks for your support, for people who have subscribed to my channel and also people who watch my video, who supported me and kept my channel going. So it has been more than 8 weeks I haven't uploaded any videos, but then in spite of that, you guys have shown your love to Never Out of Fashion, one of the series that I've done, and people keep watching that video, which is brilliant. I just am so happy that you guys love that content. So that will continue going forward. And yeah, I think I should be ending my video right here, because I just wanted to tell that I'm back now and you can expect videos from me every week. And yes guys, until the next time, stay at home, stay chilled, and yes, that's all I gotta say. Bye bye for now.